What did you say? Did you say it here or did you say it on an article? What happened there?
So, may laro last weekend. Uh, College of St. Benilde, saka yung San Beda. And during the game, nanalo ang San Beda. But I noticed a discrepancy. I watched the game. Nakita ko, maraming errors ang referees. So, I pointed out in a column na the disparity of the free throws. One team, San Beda, took 28 free throws against 10 by Benilde. So, may 18 attempted free throws differential. By the same token, mas maraming foul ang natawag against Benilde, 23-17. So, that was the fulcrum of the column. That was the meat of the column. Na sabi ko, uneven officiating.